As per today's 8:30 data, and when we analyze the chart, we got one synoptic situation of an upper air cyclonic circulation over interior Karnataka extending up to 1.5 kilometer, and some clouding was there over Goa after 8:30, and we received rainfall today morning.
What is the forecast for today?
For the next one day, that is for the period starting from 8:30 of today morning to 8:30 of next day morning, we are expecting rainfall at one or two places, and after that dry weather over Goa for the next subsequent 4 days.
4 days, okay.
First day rainfall at one or two places, light rainfall at one or two places over Goa, and from second day to fifth day dry weather.